What's up? So today I'm gonna be turning myself into Frankenstein. Just call me Frankie. Look, numero dos of my Halloween series. 5 monsters, 5 Tim Burton characters. I guess let's just hop right into it. Okay, and for once I think I might actually be prepared for everything. I know, shocking, right? I'm still trying to adjust to the fact that I have all of this backspace room. Like, usually I have to manipulate my camera whilst filming, but I don't have to do that anymore now that I have like an actual backdrop. It's beautiful. It's a brand new palette. Like, look at the new one in comparison to my old one. Ooh. This one's so ugly. This one's so pretty. And this one came with a brush. This one didn't come with a brush, but this one came with one, so I'm excited. First of all, let me pull my hair back. And yes, I will be incorporating my own hair into this. Also, I'm gonna be watching Charmed because it is September 28th and Charmed is going off of Netflix on the 1st of October. And that's not okay because I haven't finished it yet. Luckily, I'm on the last season, so it's fine. It's fine. It's not all the way fine, but it's fine.
I can't believe he's finally dead. It's almost like
I have no idea what episode I'm on. Is killing me. That is a lot of powder that I just dropped on myself. for my neck. It wraps all the way around. It's supposed to be like this. Oh well, that's annoying. Well, I guess we're just winging it. I don't feel like attaching this to myself, so I mean, I do have spirit gum. I do. But we're just gonna do this. Fuck it. So this is the completed look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to hit the bell for notifications so when I upload every week. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.